My name is Joana. I'm an artist and a researcher based in Barcelona. I explore how the techno-capitalist narratives affect society at large, right? And I disclose all these hidden ecosystems that are not accessible to most of the users. Carbolytics, it's a project I did in collaboration with the Barcelona Supercomputing Center. It tackles or it discloses the carbon cost of tracking cookies from the top 1 million websites. This is very important because it's the first time that this has been ever measured. Not the amount of cookies found in the top 1 million websites, but the carbon cost of tracking cookies. It's specifically critical to disclose the carbon cost of this because the ad tech ecosystem is a primary business model of the internet, but we don't know how much energy it takes, or let alone like the carbon emissions that it takes. We found quite stunning results in our research that it lasts 6 months of very, very hard work. We found more than 21 million cookies belonging to more than 1,200 different companies and equal to more than 11,000 tons of CO2, which this, if you compare it to other industries, is not that much. But we are talking about cookies, and it just is the micro tip of the iceberg of a much larger ecosystem that we don't have access to. So that's why I think it's a very important work in the sense that it will help open a conversation in that direction. Yeah, that it's not, when we talk about data extraction, it's not just about privacy, it's also about the carbon cost and the relation to climate change, which is a layer that hasn't been explored up to the date enough. And I hope that this project will inform this narrative much further.